How to purchase ringtones in iPhone. So if you want to download ringtones in your iPhone or from your iTunes store, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your app store, or first you need to check your funds in your Apple account. To do that, you need to open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to tap on your Apple ID, and after that you need to go with your payment and shipping or payment and delivery section. Here it might ask you for your Face ID or your password. You need to enter your Apple ID password or your Face ID. Once you've done, you will have your payment method, right? So in my case, I don't have a payment method, but if you have your Apple ID as a payment method, you will have the amount. So make sure that you have some amount on your payment section. Once you have your amounts, now you need to go back, and from here you need to just scroll down, go with sounds and haptics. Under that, you need to scroll down again, go with ringtone, and under ringtone, as you can see that you will have download all purchased ringtones, or you will have tone store on the top. So you can just simply tap on your tone store, go with allow, and tap on continue. And as you can see that here you will have all of the ringtones. So you just need to simply go and select any ringtone that you are comfortable with, that you would like to set as a default ringtone. Now you can go with the price, you can tap on it, go with download, which is on the top right, or tap on the price section. Once you tap on price, you can go with done, and then just double click to pay. So you just need to double click, and if you added your payment method, then your payment will be deducted from your store and you'll be able to purchase your ringtone in this way. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.